Hello everybody and welcome to Wixpa Google Shopping feed. In this video, we are going to discuss how to create marketplace feed on Shopify. So let's get started. I'm going to click on create feed. Here you have the option to choose the marketplace you want to create a feed for. Like for example, I have selected Facebook, but you can choose to add any of these marketplaces according to your preferences and requirements. After selecting the marketplace, let's click on continue. Here you have to enter your feed name and then you have to select your Shopify market. Right now I'm going with United States. And then make sure you select the language and currency accordingly. And then you have to adjust all these settings. Right now I'm going with the default settings. You can see this field is required, so I'm clicking on it and then sync now. So finally, you can see our marketplace feed has been created for Facebook. Now you have to copy this feed URL and then you have to paste it to Facebook Commerce Manager. So this is how you can create marketplace feed on Shopify. Stay tuned with us for more information and don't forget to share your feedback with us regarding our app Wixpa Google Shopping feed. And thank you for watching this video.